Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Soundraw AI account online on your computer. And now let's start right in. Now to log into your Soundraw AI account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in the address soundraw.io and don't enter. Make sure to type your website exactly like this guy, matching all of your alphabets. And with that being said guys, we are on the home page of the Soundra. In order to log into your account, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the sign in button and the sign up button are available. So in order to sign into our account, just click on the sign in, and over here guys, we'll be required to enter our email address and our password in order to sign into our Soundra account. So let's do that. So let's enter our email address, and after that enter our password with which you had created an account on the Soundra. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot your password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to retrieve or reset your account's password. And with that being said guys, if enter in your email address and your password, simply click on login, and then you'll be signed into your Soundra AI account online on your computer. And there guys, this is how you log into your Soundra AI account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.